Hello friends, peace be upon you. Guys, this image looks perfect to look at. But through an action we can improve it further. First let's see how we will load the action. Go to Window, then click on Action to open Action box. Look at these lines box. Click the lines box and then click Load Action. From here action has to be loaded. And now we will see how this action can improve image. In this action we only have to click. So the first option is Start. We will click on it and play the action. This action will create a group, in which it will separate the subject from the background. This group has been formed. Since this is a tracking group, do not delete this group. By enabling group you can see that the subject is separated from the background. 3 more options below are subject, background and sky. That is, there will be 3 groups of subject, background and sky. Select subject and play action. A group named subject will be created. Action is to be played by selecting up background. This will create a group of background. If you select sky and play, a group of sky will be created. That means there will be 3 separate groups of subject, background and sky. Now below you will see the subject written. All the effects below it will be applied only on the subject. If you play by selecting exposure more, it will be applied to the subject. You can also exposure reset this effect. And if you want to do dark, then select exposure dark and play. If we do the exposure more here, and change blend mode to soft light and then see difference before and after. All the options below are for the subject. Can give more or less contrast. And can reset it again. Play with color more selected and the subject's colors will be bright. Actually it has created layer of vibrance. So for this image we play color more. Will not reset it. It has face beauty. Play by selecting face beauty 1. So you can see effect of face beauty before and after. If it doesn't look right, you can reset it. And in skin tones let's say I play skin tone pink. And on the subject of pink skin tones. This action set opacity to 60%, and further reduced it to 30%. And you can see slight difference between before and after. Skin smoothing will then smooth the subject's skin. Played that action and now we will see the difference. So skin of image is smooth, but where it was needed, you will see skin smoothed. The skin is slightly smoothed. Then there are color filters. These will apply to the subject which is not required here. Suppose we apply a yellow filter, then it is not needed, so we reset. That means there is no need to apply a filter. Background and its options are below. If I darken its exposure, it will darken. Change blend mode to soft light, then see before and after. This is how contrast enhances. And if the blend mode is set to soft light, more contrast will be added. This is before then after. Instead of 50%, make opacity 25% in before and after. If you click on color more, the colors will be more saturated. And on no color it will be black and white. For this image we will click on color more. Then there is the option of foliage if we select green. So green color will be applied on the image. Blend mode soft light will make it darker, so we keep it normal. You will see a clear difference before and after. Let me show you by playing the artistic one. Do not need to use any artistic option in this image, then reset it. Apply a green filter if up in color filters. So this filter will be applied to the entire background. Action has its blend mode overlay, while in soft light it's not correct either. There is no need to apply a filter here, so we will reset. If played with blue selected in studio color, it will turn the background blue. It is not needed on this image, so reset it. The third option is sky. Now to lighten or darken the exposure. So it will only affect sky. The effect will not be on the grass or water in the background, but only on the sky. Because now we are working on sky. If you click on contrast more, the contrast will be higher. If you want to reduce, you can reduce. Clicking color more will brighten the color of the sky. And can choose sky color. It will turn light blue on light blue. Try up blue or blue 2. Check sunset 1. Not sunset on this image, any shade of blue will look good. There are now color filters that will be applied to sky. So let's see by applying cyan color. Or apply blue color. So this is an action that has a lot of options. It can be used to enhance the up images in this image. And this image before and this after in just clicks. So it has 3 groups: sky, background, and subject. After disabling these 3 groups, I show you about the 4th group. In this group it separated the subject from the background. We have to keep this group disabled. In the rest of the groups you will see all the effects. It is a very useful action. The link to download this action is in the description. You can download and use it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.